Okay, you put water and about half a cup of vinegar in there, and then you just add baking soda to clean this. And I don't know if it's gonna clean the frying pan, but it sure works on these, because look at that one down there.
Yeah, that one's perfect.
And this is how I did it. And you don't have to scrub hard. Just let it sit there for like 10 minutes or so.
Oh, it's already coming clean.
Yeah. Okay, you add the baking soda very slow, because otherwise you form a bomb.
Yeah.
And it'll go over. So the water ain't even boiling yet. When it starts to boil, it cleans better. Okay, that's enough.
So how many likes you want on this video?
100 likes.
100 likes, guys. So we better get them. Okay, bye-bye.
And look how clean it's coming out. You want to see? Look, it's white.
Wow, that is silver.
Wow, look at that.
No grease left.
I'm trying with the frying pan. I don't know if it'll ever work on it.
Yeah, it was severely baked on the frying pan.
That's my husband. He don't like to scrub, so all his frying pans get like this.
Yeah, they do. It adds more flavor to the food.
No, it don't.
I know.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, bye YouTube.